Are you struggling to get people excited about your event? Well, today we have some great tips for everyone who would like to promote their upcoming webinars on social media. Let's get started. Tip 1. Post on the right social media network. The first step in promoting your webinar on social media is to choose the right platform. Remember, you don't have to be everywhere. Choose a platform that aligns with your webinar's topic. For example, if your webinar is about professional skill building, platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn are great choices. LinkedIn is perfect for connecting with a professional audience, while Facebook allows you to reach broader networking groups. Tip 2. Target the right market for your webinar. Next up, you need to understand your audience to target them effectively. Predictive analytics can be a game changer here, helping you gain key insights about your potential attendees. By knowing their preferences and interests, you can create a personalized marketing strategy that will boost your webinar registration. Tip 3. Collaborate with the speakers and presenters. Now, do you have some fantastic speakers and presenters lined up for your webinar? If they have a significant following or a professional network, it is time to tap into their potential. Encourage your speakers to promote the webinar on their social media. They can use discount codes to entice their followers and improve conversion rates. Tip 4. Use a clear call to action. Getting your audience to complete the sign-up process is crucial. To do that, you need a clear call to action in your social media posts. Add phrases like sign up or register at the end of your post to guide potential participants to the next step. It makes it easier for them to click on the sign-up links and complete the process. Tip 5. Optimize the landing page of your webinar. Last but not least, let's talk about your webinar's landing page. This is where your potential attendees get their very first impression. To make it stand out, add relevant text, images and videos. Landing pages with videos are 80% more likely to convert, so give your audience a sneak peek or a teaser about your webinar to seal the deal. And there you have it, our top tips for promoting your webinar on social media. If you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about webinars, on how to host them, what gear to use and what it is like to work at a tech startup, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click like on this video and hit that notification bell. And let me know, how do you promote your webinar on social media? Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!